Hello everybody and welcome back. This is kind of a short update video about a lot of things that are going on right now. First of all, this here is the really old CNC plotter that I made for the Direct Ink to PCB Part 2 and follow-ons. And I just took the controller board and I removed it and I put the new one on there with the Gerbil control software, and I took the old program and I updated the settings and did all the things that you would need to do, and guess what? This is really working. This is working nicely and I'm really happy with it. There are a few things that need to be addressed, but from a point of finding out if the software is working together with what used to be the machine that I was using, yeah, that was a real good score. It didn't take any extra work, so everything that is on GitHub now works, which is great. It was really easy setting up the steppers. I used the flags for inverting the directions, and everything just works. Also, the stepper just works. It's really amazing. I didn't expect that. I was really expecting problems, but no, it just works. And also, what else? Right. I got something in the mail today. And it came all the way via Worldwide Express from China. And let's just find out what it is. So, ooh-wee. Was anybody guessing the color? Let's see what it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? This batch is blue. And right from the start, I really like the blue. I really like it because you can make out the traces really well. Wow, this is sealed really well. Let's try again. I'm gonna stab myself so hard. Wow. Aren't they pretty? So right now, blue is my favorite color. Let's just put these here. Well, they look really, really great. And I hope that they have all the fixes too for the ESP, so we can have Wi-Fi and simulated internet. For the level shifters, for the audio. And they don't have the jumpers to switch between MIDI and Wi-Fi because, well, we don't need them. We have enough serial ports on the TNZ 3.2. It's gonna be so much fun putting one of these together. Yeah, I really like that. And as you can see, with the blue color, you can really make out where the traces are and where they're not. With the black, although the black looks really great, the matte black is also a really good looking board, but for development I wouldn't recommend it. Wow, this is pretty. I really like that. So yeah, that for this video, this is already it. I don't have a lot more to show. There's another experiment back here, which was. Should I show that? Well, why not? I was trying to figure out if one could have a Peltier cooler with about 200 watts of power, and if you would have a splitter assembly. I wanted to figure out or find out if it was worth having something like that to maybe cool a small room, or how much power would you need to actually make a difference, so that if you cool down something and you put it through a heat exchanger and a fan, would you really would you notice anything happening? And well, in short, the answer is no. This experiment was a complete failure, but it was quite right to be a failure, because in all honesty, try heating a room with a 100 watt light bulb. It's about the same efficiency. It's never going to work. Well, and I kind of proved that, but that was. I don't think this is worth a video. That was just trying something out and seeing it fail. Yeah, but next things are the next video that will be coming up is about this here. I want to show it working. I want to show the settings that I have to put in to make this old thing work. It still has a lot of issue with backlash, and I'll see if I can address that. But I don't think I'll be doing it right away. And then one of the next videos is going to be building one of the new Micro-Me boards, giving it a quick test, and I'm going to build two pretty quickly, because I promised to send one off to South Africa to the author of the basic interpreter. Because, well, he's basically giving it away for free, so I'm using it and I want to give him something back, so I'm going to give him one of the boards with all the passive components populated, and test it to the point that I'm sure that it would work if he would finish populating it with live components. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking at next, and that is also going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to take a lot of time too, but that's what time's there for wasting on interesting projects, that is. So thank you very much for watching, and have a good evening. Bye.